TVJ News has been informed that government-paid court reporters are now restive. It's understood that the court reporters are unhappy with their salary packages under the new compensation regime. Our news center was informed that the employees wrote to the Circuit Administration Division complaining about anomalies but have not yet received a positive response. There are now fears that the court reporters could join government prosecutors who took protest action last week. If this happens, it could further cripple sittings of circuit courts. Prosecutors assigned to the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions called in sick last week, while others returned to base to protest their new salary packages.